Imagine being launched into space for what was supposed to be an 8-day mission, only to find yourself stuck there for months on end with no clear path home. This is the reality facing NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams, who may now be stranded on the International Space Station until 2025. The mission began on June 5, 2024. The Boeing Starliner, a spacecraft designed to compete with SpaceX, embarked on its first crewed test flight to the International Space Station. Astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams were at the helm, expecting to return home just over a week later. But things didn't go as planned. Shortly after the launch, problems began to emerge. The Starliner's reaction control thrusters, crucial for maneuvering in space, experienced failures. Leaks in the helium system further complicated matters, and the spacecraft's propulsion system was found to be weaker than expected. As a result, what was supposed to be an 8-day mission has now stretched over 60 days. The astronauts have been using supplies originally meant for the ISS crew, while NASA and Boeing scramble to find a solution. The situation has become increasingly dire, with NASA officials now considering the possibility that the astronauts may not return until 2025. NASA is at a crossroads. The space agency has to decide whether the Starliner can safely bring the astronauts back, or if they should rely on SpaceX's Crew Dragon mission to get them home. This decision is not just a technical one, it has significant implications for Boeing, which has already faced billions in losses from the Starliner program. If the astronauts return on a SpaceX craft, their stay on the ISS could extend well into 2025. This scenario would mean that Starliner, once a flagship project for Boeing, might return to Earth empty, a stark contrast to its intended purpose. Despite the challenges, Wilmore and Williams remain in good spirits. In a recent interview, Williams mentioned that they are having a great time aboard the ISS, embracing the extended mission with the resilience that astronauts are known for. But behind the scenes, the pressure is mounting. Back on Earth, their families and the entire NASA community are anxiously awaiting the decision. The clock is ticking, and with every passing day, the stakes grow higher. As NASA's deadline for a decision approaches, the world watches. Will Boeing's Starliner redeem itself and bring the astronauts home? Or will SpaceX, the rival that has dominated the commercial space industry, step in to save the day? The answer could shape the future of human space exploration and the commercial space industry as we know it. For now, Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams continue their extended stay in space, awaiting their fate. Their story is a testament to the challenges of space exploration, where even the best-laid plans can go awry. Stay tuned as we follow this developing story, one that could redefine what it means to be an astronaut in the 21st century.